talking about the basics of the Bevel Modifier in Blender. You can see I've got a cube loaded up here and it looks okay, but if I go to smooth shade it, it looks really messed up. To switch over to rendered view, it looks terrible. So the way we fix that is to add a bevel modifier, which we add using the modifiers panel here. And there we add it, and we can see that it's chamfered all of the edges of our object. Now, the two main controls you're going to want to look at here are the segments, and that's going to increase, and the width, and that's going to change how far in or out your object's beveling. Additionally, there is the profile option, which is going to change the profile of the chamfer on the object. So yeah, that's how to do that.